G'day ladies and germs, Conor here from C-Dubs Media, back with another video. And today we're doing a quick look at the casemate case for the Pixel 7 Pro. This is the tough clear version, ultra clear, stays clear. That's the claim they're making. We're going to find out about that. Now I have been using this for about a week, so we're going to see like a week's worth of scratches and use on the case. And I'm going to go through the specs of it and just tell you my opinion. I bought this when I got the Pixel 7 Pro because I just needed something to open and put the phone in straight away because it's a beautiful phone, beautiful display, really breakable. So that's why I've got it. I don't like covering up these amazing looking devices, but you have to. So that's why I went with the clear one. Now, a couple of housekeeping rules. Any trolls, blocked, deleted, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about that. Now, next point is I've got heaps of videos coming on the Pixel 7 Pro. Yes, they're going to trickle out over time, so they're going to be probably a little bit more accurate than some of the first impressions videos, including my own, and probably a bit more accurate than some of the other full reviews that came out a day after people had been using them. So let me know in the comments if you want to know anything about this device in my reviews. Anyway, let's get into the case. So this is a plastic case. It is a minimalist design case, and it's supposed to be giving us a slim profile and offer you drop protection of up to 10 feet. Now I have dropped my phone already from 3 feet high onto tiles while it was in this case, and it protected it. So take what you will from that. I wasn't looking when it happened, so I don't know exactly how it landed, but it was on a towel rack. I turned around, turned back, and it was on the tiles. So interesting, scary moment, I can guarantee you that. So here we have our case. We have the visor cut out for the camera, which is very pixely. That's just the pixel design right there. And it fits well over the camera visor. I like how it fits. It's raised a little bit along here for the lip so you don't get any scratches on the actual visor of the camera. The power button and volume up and down are on the right-hand side as you're looking down at your device. Nothing on the left-hand side. On the bottom, you have your cutouts for your speakers and your charging port. Let's put it in. Oh, and on the top, you have a cutout for a microphone. I don't know if you can see before I put it in any scratches on there. There is some scratches around here that are not fingerprints. There's some fingerprints on there as well, but you can see a couple of scratches here. That is from just having it in my pocket. Like I've been down the beach, I would go running with it all the time. I constantly got it with me and I'm pretty active, so it's only got a couple of scratches so far. Now I should point out that the worst phone case for the Pixel phones is actually the Pixel cases. And I'll show you why. Look at the staining on that. It looks disgusting. That is a Pixel case. It's happened on this one and the case I got for the Pixel 6a. So if you can avoid the Pixel cases, then I would recommend you do so. But this one looks pretty good. It feels pretty good. Now there's a bit of lip protection at the top and at the bottom of this device. I do like that. So you can put it down on a table and not get it scratched, as long as the surface is flat. If you're putting it down on, say, flat concrete that might have a bit of dirt under it, you're probably asking for trouble. The power button is very tactile. I do like that. You don't have to push too hard. Like I do use one for the Pixel 6a. It's the Bellroy leather case. That is very hard to push in the power button and the volume buttons. But here, it's pretty basic. Nice click, nice and easy to press. Same with the volume up and down, I like that as well. And your charging ports are easily accessible, as are the speakers. And the speaker up the top is not hindered either. There's a little bit of a gap here to give you opportunity for the sound to come out through the speaker nicely. Not too much of a lip on the sides, maybe like 0.5 mil or maybe 1 mil, but enough there to give it a little bit of protection. And as I said earlier, a bit of lip protection here around the camera visor, just to keep that nice and safe. Yes, you're going to get a little bit of dirt caught up in here, but it's better to have that than to have it not protected. A couple of specs we have here. 10-foot drop protection. I can vouch for 3-foot, don't know about 10, not going to test it. One-piece platform design is what they're saying on the Casemate site. So it's basically, it's one bit of plastic. It's not like extra inserts or anything like that. It's compatible with wireless charging, and I do wireless charge it every day at work on my Belkin wireless charger. It doesn't charge any slower than on other charging devices, so I'm happy with that. It is anti-scratch technology. Well, there's scratches on it already, so it's not anti-scratch technology. Or maybe it's the terminology. It's definitely not scratch-proof. It does come with a lifetime warranty, which I do like, but it doesn't say what that means. Now, on their website for Casemate, it does come in at $40, but on the Google Pixel site, it comes in at $34.99. That's in Aussie dollars, so probably in America, you're going to get it for $10 or something like that. But here, it's $35 on the Google site and $40 on the Casemate site. Now, it is made from 50% recycled technology, and I don't know how true that is because I've got no way of testing it, but it is nice that it is 50% recycled. It'd be nice to get that to 100%, and it is made from two types of plastic and then one type of polyurethane coating. It's to give it that scratch resistance. So there we have the tough clear for the Pixel 7 Pro TPU, which is plastic. I like it. I like that it's got some sort of conscience about the environment. It is environmentally friendly. It's pretty slim, given that the phone is already pretty massive. It's nice to have a slim looking device with a slim case on it. Any questions or comments, hit me up down below in the comment section. Love to hear from you all. Like I said, any trolls will be blocked or deleted straight away. Thank you everyone for watching. I appreciate your time. Links down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Check out.